Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So jaro at 2059. Try it Smith-Morra. Oh, he's not taking. It's quite popular now to play Nf6. Okay. I think I'll just take now. This bishop's a bit stuck on c8 at the moment. So I've got better bishops, I think, for the moment. The knight is also not part of the kingside defense right now on b6. So I think this is okay. Okay, he's going to get that blockade. I want queen d3 and bishop c2. Try and do something from this position. Attacking chess, if possible. Bishop c2, g6, bishop h6. This is a problem bishop the way he's done it, because that is actually in front of the pawn, which often wants the move for the bishop to go to b7. So this is a classic battery. Alright, it's going there. Maybe it's not such a problem. Okay, he's going to find a place for that bishop. Mind you, knight e4, I keep a lot of the tension of the pieces here. And bishop f8 is weakening the squares a bit. I can play a6 for bishop e5, I suppose, soon. I'm on this bishop for the moment. Does he want to lose the dark square bishop? No, but knight e5, it looks as though I'm brewing something here. Or knight takes f7. Or queen f3. It looks as though something's on the cards. f4, f5. Queen h3. I got a4 if a6 if I want to stop that. Oh, some weaknesses. That does knight c5 then. Doesn't seem to lose a piece or anything. Maybe I can just go on this diagonal. So e6 in this diagonal. I think e6 is going to be a problem. Pawn. I was just trying to attack that problem pawn. So bishop b3. Maybe even a4, a5 for bishop a4 or knight e6. Oh, knight g4 is on the cards. I think bishop b3 looks logical. Knight g4, I can take that. I think bishop b3, because that bishop's blunted on this diagonal right now. Oh, takes. Oh, hang on. It's good. Yeah, queen's protecting. Maybe he just gets the queens off. I might have blown the advantage there somewhat. Takes, gets the queens off. Knight e5. He might be safe. He doesn't do that. Okay. Queen h3, g4, is that useful? Rook e3, if takes knight e6, that looks dangerous. Actually, that looks mega dangerous. Maybe rook e3. It looks good for a laugh. To tempt knight e3, so knight e6. Otherwise, I'm getting my rook to g3. An attack might be brewing a bit more here after rook g3. Nothing immediately. I'll just take that bishop, he's got weakened dark squares, and then rook g3. Bishop g5 he just takes. Let's take that off. My knights look pretty good. I think rook g3. Mind you, knight f4, then queen d4. That could be a pain. There's knight e2 check. Knight f4, queen e4. Might be e6 is a problem. Ah, he's got that queen d4. Oh no! Oh no! Queen f3, queen d4. Queen e3, queen d4. Is that really happening? I think it might be really happening. It's not just a dream. Maybe there's knight. There's no knight e6. Maybe there is knight e6 there. So I'm actually threatening to take his queen if he takes here. Check. Protects the queen. Queen h6. So maybe queen e3. I want to play to h6. So queen d4. Okay. Oh well. Now knight g6 is also interesting. Takes. His knight will be away. King f7. Gets his queen back. There's rook d1 after. Hold on. After rook d1, then hasn't he got a problem? If I just go in for this with rook d1, I've got knight takes b3. So think about something else here. Knight takes e6. I think knight takes e6. Am I just losing a piece? Oh, I've got here. It's not really ideal, is it? Takes, check. Don't think so. I think this position check. I should be getting my. No, I'm not getting anything back. I just managed to blunder a piece. What a muppet! After all that, what a total muppet! I managed to blunder a piece. It's tragic. It's totally tragic from that attacking position. Ah, man. What a muppet. How did I do that? How did I do this? Ah. Alright, new plan. Get pawn to h6. Hope for the best. Or rook to the 7th. He's in a bit of time pressure. Can he win a piece up? Disaster. Total. I'll get pawn to h6 and hoping for something to turn up. Maybe g3. So it takes knight f5. Alright, so king g2 here. Rook e2, rook c5. That sort of thing. Yeah. Attempts his. Oh, can I get around here? 30 seconds each. Pre-move time soon. It's going to be a time
check.
Crazy game. Unless he's going to make me here.
Check.
Have I got knight g7? No, I haven't got anything better than
check.
Oh, it's pathetic, isn't it? From that attacking position.
Time warning.
Grovel this. Give up. Oh, such a beautiful position. Is he not going to make me or something?
Check.
Knight G3. Oh, that was so sad. I'm sorry. It was just sad. Oh, that's beautiful attacking prospects. Instructively ruined, I think. How to ruin an attack. I bet you there was a knockout blow. There must be. There must have been a knockout blow here. Big advantage. The knight gets to f4. He weakens my dark square for that pesky knight f4 for queen d4. So I'm actually, because I'm weaker on f4, this is more dangerous. So maybe it's like an instructive defense, but maybe it shouldn't have been. Yeah, rook g3 might be a mistake. Yeah, so if he had like taken, I think there would be big trouble with, well, earlier, if he had taken earlier, I think it was just knight takes e6 was crashing through. So here, yeah, is there something here? Rook e1. Okay, and if he took, that's still slightly better for white, but most of the advantage is gone, disappeared. So it seems after rook g3, in fact, this is horrible forcing sequence. Knight f4. It's actually based on my weakened dark squares, not his. Mine. Queen c2. Hang on, the engine's coming out with queen c2. This is the best shot. Yeah, I'm sitting on dark squares with the knight. Surely there's enough compensation here. So say it takes. Yeah, there's enough compensation. Look at the bishop. I should have just gone for this. Just sit on the dark squares after. Not this. Oh dear, just losing a piece. It's just terrible. It's just tragic, really. Rook e1, yeah, just sit on the dark squares, don't panic, sit on. I think don't panic's the wrong expression. I think keep calm is better, because as soon as you say panic, you're creating the notion of panic. If I kept calm here with rook e1, this one, my knights are just too good, surely. It doesn't matter about the pawn. But no, just
check.
Blow a piece instead.
Check.
And just try and grovel with this vague h6 pawn.
Check.
Okay. Yeah, not great.
Check.
I thought he'd just
Check.
try and mate me or something.
Check.
Yeah, it's just with 20 seconds each here.
Check.
It's he's got to win in 5 seconds. It's difficult, maybe. Although there is a forced mate in 10, he didn't spot. So knight d3. Maybe the idea is to take and then g3. Yeah, I think it is actually g3.
Check.
Forced mate.
Check.
Yeah, he should have had a mating net, nearly woven. Sort of taken that. He's going to lose on time with that sort of move. I think it's in that situation. If you've only got 5 seconds, I think you've got to go for the mating net. Push everything for a mating net. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.